give you a little tour of this recumbent bike. It has been on for several years and used on a weekly basis, and it has stood the test of time. As you can see, it is in fantastic shape, very, very good quality. Now, one thing to consider that to turn it on, we did need a little extender, and so that's something to consider. But other than that, very, very good quality. I'll show you around the pedal here. I'll go through all of this, but I wanted to show you the seat. It does come with a heart monitor right here. The handle, of course, this is adjustable according to the height, and this comes with this little tray for storage right here. And I'll give you a tour here of what it entails. So you have the quick start. You have different programs. You can set the goal to Bluetooth, to pause and end. And right here you can adjust the resistance from 1 to 25. And then here is the monitor that shows all the things that you have set with date, intensity, your goal, and as I said, fantastic quality. Would highly recommend to anyone interested in exercising with recumbent bike. Phenomenal.